Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning Honda Fireblade. Here we have a Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade. This is a 2014 bike on a 64 plate with just 11,227 miles and a full service history on mileage. This bike is in outstanding condition and comes in the TT Legends HRC limited edition colour scheme, which looks absolutely fantastic. It's the same colour scheme that John McGuinness would have ridden around the Isle of Man, and probably Connor Cummins, I would think, on this year. Don't quote me on that though. But anyway, this is an absolute stunning machine. The rear tyre there, absolutely loads of life left in that. Got the seat cowl fitted and a tail tidy, of course. There's a couple of tiny marks there, just where somebody's put a boot over it, but absolutely nothing to worry about. And as you probably struggle to see there, you struggle to see it close up as well, but only fair to point it out. Petrol tank is in fantastic condition. You've got that Honda tank pad there as well. Tricolour levers, which look absolutely smashing, and then you've got the mirror there with absolutely no scuffs or damage there, and the bar end and lever are unmarked, as are the fairing panels themselves. HRC paintwork really does work well on this Fireblade. You've got the forks there, no stone chips or corrosion anywhere on this bike at all. It really is lovely. Front mudguard there with that Honda wing. Front tyre's got loads of life left in it. No stone chips to the front of the bike at all. Absolutely superb condition, this bike. It really is an absolutely brilliant bike. Very usable on the road, this. Not bags and bags of power compared to a modern superbike, but absolutely plenty for the road or any track days if you fancy. This side of the bike, absolutely superb as well. No damage at all to any of the levers, mirrors or bar ends. Fairing panels and engine cases are also untouched. No ABS on this one, no quick shifter, no gimmicks, no electronic gimmicks at all. It's just a pure sports bike, and personally I absolutely love that. Bit of an analog man myself. I know many of you are too. So there you go, no corrosion anywhere on this bike at all, as you can see. Nothing to apologise for, an absolute beauty. If you're after a fast road bike or something to do some track days on, then look no further than this absolute stunner of a Honda Fireblade. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Superb. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful blade, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.